Keeps not updating my thumbnail, so I look like a moron. Alright, we are ready. What's going on, everybody? We don't have the thumbnail there for you. We are up and running. We've been recording a little bit ahead of time. Check us out on Substack so you can get all the juicy details. Alright, we got the E-mini S&P futures open, and what shall we do? What's happening today? Do we have some good momentum going into the Spacex IPO? Do we have a good slow day for chop traders? Chop traders, rejoice. Your day is today. Chop traders, chop traders. You like that range? You've been setting out the extensions, waiting for a range compression day. You have got it. Today is your day. It's 10:42. Get your ass ready to have some fun, everybody. If you like playing the chop, range chop, pretty good range chop, by the way. We're going to go back over here and see the importance of a few things, but we're not going to spend too much time farting around on the E-mini S&P futures. We're going to make sure everything, going to over-enunciate everything, because apparently the dictation still isn't quite there unless you really just give it your best. You really overdo everything. Gotta overdo everything to get proper output these days. So you had that move the other day. We're gonna take we are going to, we do not want to put any weird English into the transcription box here. They've not transcribed some of that. So you had that clear move, 74.94 to 72.50. He didn't get that. You didn't get this. Who cares? Okay, came back down, grabbed our 73.06, as you can see, did a 06 to 64 pink band extraordinaire. Pink band extraordinaire, boom, boom. There's no question it was exact on the fucking pink bands, okay? Alright, pink band came down, pink band back, up, pink band down. Recross 50, and they got 50 all the way down to 35. You had quite a little drop down there once we had the 80, and they tried to retest 7,300. Rejected that 80, clean 35, slightly below, back above, and the 72.80 here into the pink band of 73.06. 72, zip, right off the 80 into this. Now, I thought we had some more music. Do we not have more music than that? What the hell is going on here, crude oil? Thought we had some more music. I've got to fill in the spaces and make shit interesting while the old technology of these damn digital jukeboxes catches up with this guy, because I'm not going backward, I'm going forward. Catch up with me, please, technology. You are not doing the best right now. You're way behind. Way behind. You wanted to get forward? Listen to me, technology, and I'll guide you to where you need to go, okay? That's calling all you AI analysts, AI users, AI programmers, AI flammers. Alright. Alright, had that final 80 up here to 35. 35 begot, did not get the 80. Now we skipped out to 86. Clear rejection of 35 here. 73.35 to be exact, and they stick saved at 72.86. Came back into 35 again, so they did 86 to 35. 1-2 test. And you know where are we looking at right now? Starting to reject the 73.06. We've already rejected this and closing in on 00. Your 0 to 20 is always chop bullshit. So if you're in there, you get some two-way plays. Just be careful, because 06 can be a bitch. Can be a bitch this way, can be a bitch that way. Watch out for 06. can lift straight the fuck up, can go straight the fuck down. Downtown, double wide, 7235. 7406, double wide upside. Quoting the green line for the continuation. Green to green, 100 wide. Red to red, 100 wide. Right? Green to green, 100 wide. Red to red, 100 wide. I'm going to drill this shit. I'm going to actually do a little tool website. Maybe I'll have some custom logins and I'll create a user and I'll create a free tier. I'm going to give you this shit just so you can study it. You can enter your own AI key in there and you can get the analytics. Maybe I'll see if there's any kind of free bullshit. I don't know. I get news popping up on my fucking other screen here. I don't even want to know the news. I don't care about the news. The news is bullshit. Check out the fucking lines on your chart. It's where the action is. The news is just a distraction. Do you want action or do you want distraction? Distraction, turn on your fucking news and just wallow in the misery and the triumphs and mostly the misery and the extreme misery and the extraordinary extreme misery about the news. It's not going to fucking help you trade one goddamn bit. You're going to lose money. Come down here to 7164. Right? They really smacked down. Right now we're leveling out. You know the drill, 73 to 020. You're looking for a 20 break. Keep in mind we've had a lot of yellow, so even if you break above 20, it could come back 26. Boom. Back to 7306. Fucker! Alright, coming down to the downside here, and you break that 70, let's say it comes down to 72.94 and just fucking launches 100 goddamn points up here to 73.94, drops like a son of a bitch down to 71.94. So you're looking for a 100 point wide move. Still, that's the theory right now. 72 and 94 gets those 100 wides. Sometimes we do connections on 35s and 80s 100 wides, but your swift trip 70, at least on the downside, 72.94. Upside it can vary. I'm mostly looking at the downside connectors there. You can do it both sides. So right now you got the upside of 73.35, 72.80. You're blocked in here, and within that block you're blocked in again. Double block, 7200, 7300, 7320. I don't need options. I don't need AI. I don't need any goddamn thing to tell me where I'm at. I know where I'm at. Right here, red to green. We're inside that. We're playing off of that. Now we're dicking around slightly below 3 to 20. Comes down 94. What's it going to do? Fucking launch up again in your face? Alright, well we have 7206. We're going to actually get this extension down here to 7264. Maybe make a 58 push. From 58 back to 94, back to 42. And then back to 06. We're going to do some dumb shit. Extend it. Come back in the range. Extend it. Come back in the range. Actually, it'd just be 73.35, but it'd be traveling all over the fucking place to get there, right? Alright, so that's one thing to look at, one theory, one side of the coin that you could give a credence to here as we're running some motion on the ES. So, got to make our suppositions and got to have a creative mindset here, but you know you're blocked in. 50, rotation long, short. So, yes. We are in rotation short on 50. Correct. We are above this 50. We're below this one. So you want to look at the whole quadrant. You want to say, you want to do 50-50s? Okay, 50-50s are in the middle. Doesn't do you damn good. Now let's take a look. 80-35, boom. And then subdivide that out. If you want to go off the yellow bands, what you've been seeing a lot of movement on, you could actually say with 72.94 to 26, although you already see that up here at 35. So that sort of relegates and negates that. I'm not sure why my fucking music is not playing worth a damn here. Fuck. Taking like all damn day. I'll have to build my own player. I'll download the shit. I'll do my own jukebox. Shit's too slow. I can't keep up with this guy. It's fucking throwing me off. Don't let slow bullshit throw you off, okay? But enjoy slow bullshit if you like this chop. Alright, let's get out of ES. We've already talked about enough. SpaceX this, SpaceX that. Fuck SpaceX. It's just a piece of shit. It's gonna short that motherfucker to 0. But are they gonna go to 7,500? Is SpaceX gonna propel us to 7,500, 7,620? Whoa, look, SpaceX! And then come back around and then drop us to 7020. Are we gonna fucking do that shit? We don't fucking know, man. But we can prepare for it and get the idea in our head that it's so stupid that it's probably gonna fucking happen. Right? So stupid it's gonna fucking happen. Okay, keep an eye on 7020, 6964, 6900 on the extreme low side. Top side again, you've already know 7750 is sort of the 7800 is the extreme bullshit area. We're chopping in. We're showing a reason why they could group long. We're showing a reason why they could group short here. Belch, that was much deserved. On your crude oil, you've still got the major credits here on $86. $86 on crude to 94. Chopping in the 86 to 94 zone. 94 has been a big one. We gave you that on Sunday. Said big one. 86 supported. Back 94 almost here. Back down. Regardless what, you want the crude oil to break 86 and you want that 80 attempt. Again, one goddamn last time here. We want crude oil to be chopping between 72 and 86. So you need some of that drops down, ups, even if it comes back to 94. But you want the majority of work to be done here. 72 to 86. As simple as that. I ain't got nothing else for you. Gold, 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 GC gold. We've been hammering this out. If you followed our analysis and you trade this shit, you should have made at least $5 or $10 million the last few weeks. If you're a dumbass and you trade this and you did not listen to what we were saying and you were kept going long, you lost all your money and you're fucking bankrupt and your entire life is a fucking joke now. Okay? Simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. Okay? And we called 45 and 44 on the short side. We were looking at 4,100, right? 4,100. 4,100. I was calling it way out here. Go check out previous videos. Previous videos. I'm not covering silver today. Fuck silver. Maybe I'll cover silver one fucking minute, okay? Alright. So we called 45 and 44. 44 broke. We were looking at 4,100. And what happened? Over 450 point drop. And finally broke that 4,100 in a very short period of time. So if you were going long this, you are one dumb son of a bitch. If you got in, I mean, maybe if you get some of these spikes real quick and you're scalping shit, great. You got some today of the 40-50. That's a big ass move there. Is that today or is that yesterday? Guess that's yesterday. I don't know. I don't give a shit. Wednesday, yeah. 40-50 to 41. You got that fucking move. You're a winner chicken dinner. You made 20 million to 20 billion to 20 trillion dollars off that move. Take the rest of the fucking summer off, man. Alright, so 4,100 was the key. Go back, look at my previous videos, look at the analysis. I've been calling this for at least a couple weeks now, if not less time than that, for the move. You're looking for a move under 4,100. You're looking for under 4,000. You're looking for like 3,800. So 3,800, where I was looking at on the top side, you're looking for about roughly 4,300. You could say 42 to 42.64, sort of your rotation there. Let's see if we can get some goddamn silver in this son of a bitch. We've been cussing more lately because this is all train of thought, and if I'm not serious and in depth on this, I'm shortchanging you. So do I want to shortchange you and keep it clean? Do I want to go full scale and give you the full experience and not bullshit you with details and scams on pushing affiliate links and throwing my face on the screen and pretending like I'm the best trader in the world? I never say I was the best trader, but I'm pretty goddamn good at analysis, okay? I'm trying to instill those tools to you. I'm going to bring a tool out for you for free. I'm just going to fucking do a bunch of work. You're not getting my premium quality output because that's going to fucking cost. And some of that will not be publicly available at all. Why? Because that's my goods. If my goods turn into shit, then I'll bring it out for everybody to use it. While my goods are working well, you're not getting them. And if they're not working at all, you don't get them. But I'll bring you a free tool out, okay? Silver, we're looking for, and we're already getting into this. We already called this. We've been calling this fucker since it's $117, and we were a few dollars off on that short. We're above over 120, and you can see this piece of dog shit right now. Came in below 64, trying to hold into 64. What did I say? I said we needed to chop between 58 and 72 for some time. 64 your median ground. Would be even better if you can get back into the $50 range here on the silver. But that's it. Doing exactly what silver should do. And it's just in a long range chop. What are you going to do? 64, you're going to fucking 72 here? Oh boy. You're going to drop. The days of the extreme crazy silver moves and the bandits from the prop firms playing large silver contracts is over. So if you had some big payouts and stuff on those, great, good deal for you. Getting that short side now, and you had that 73.10, so we did get the continuation. Especially if you got it in the middle here, 06. We called it 06, boom. And you're back down to 72. So we're getting a little bit of a range extension here. And now you're going to see if they bounce off 64 or 58 or do a complete 50. You got to keep in mind, now we're going to the next quadrant down 72.35 to 72.80, right? So if they're going to save the 72, they've already saved 86 once. They're going to save 72, we don't know. Very high likelihood, though, between 50 and 64. So see if you're going to press. Sort of hard to buy here, but easier to buy here than here if you're trying to prep for breakouts. But we already talked about this. We're getting some downside. We're getting some range extensions fresh on the day. New downside session areas we're exploring, so keep that in mind. You got the white shit here, 64. You got the white shit here, 26. Okay, let that be your guide. You know what's happening. You know the moves. You know the lingo. You know the repeating patterns. I'm going to give you some free shit very soon. I'm going to redo the trading view tools. We're going to bring you over to a damn new platform. It's in beta right now. We got some freebies and some goodies for you there as well if you're following us all the way here. God bless you, brothers and sisters, for the amount of time you've given me today. See if you get this 64 bounce here, deck to 06. Had that big fucking drop there. And simple as that, people. Peace out, brothers and sisters. Love everybody. Love all the animals and the insects and the bugs and everything out there, man. I'm a fucking softie. Peace out, everybody. Love y'all. Keep an eye out. See if they grab support here. 64, though. Peace.